Okay, so how do we evaluate that? Does anybody know? What do we do first? Does it matter? Do I just go left to right? Can I just go 1 plus 6 is 7, and then 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 7 times 8 is 56. You can use your calculator. You can use calculators for anything in the course, right? Make sure you have a calculator other than your cell phone by the time we get to the exam, the end of next week, because you can't use cell phones on the exam. So make sure you have obtained a calculator other than your cell phone. Anyway, is that right? What I just did there?
You have to do what's in the parentheses first.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Good job. Good remembrance. So I'll do what's in the parentheses first, right? 7 plus 1 is 8, and then I'll do the 1
Multiply by 6.
Oh, well, I got to multiply by the 6 first?
Yeah.
Right. Is everybody aware of that? Yeah, good. Yeah, in fact, what is the order of operations? Anybody know it?
PEMDAS.
Yeah. Now I'm going to put this in the notes for you eventually. You know, those notes that are on the first page of the course, I'm going to be adding to those as we go. But yeah, order of operations is PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is the old saying, or PEMDAS or whatever. I'll write it out here for you. Please excuse my dear, you can tell it's an old-fashioned saying. It's been around for a while. I like it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And P stands for parenthesis. E stands for exponents, which means powers. Like if you have powers, we don't have any of those right now. M and D, you know what that is, multiply and divide, huh? A and S is adding, subtracting. So yeah, that's the order. So you guys are right that are saying you have to do the parentheses first. That's number 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And then, yeah, you guys are right. We can't add the 1 and the 6. Why not? Because that's adding, subtracting, which is the last. You know, you don't honestly, you don't really have to remember the whole PEMDAS perfectly. You get your notes during the exam anyway. But really, most of PEMDAS is pretty natural. The only thing that you want to remember that'll help you, that you might accidentally do wrong, is just remember adding, subtracting is last. If you just remember that, you're usually good. Just remember adding, subtracting, the simplest math operation there is, right? That's the first thing you learned to do in math when you were a young child, right? Was adding and subtracting. Well, that's the lowest operation, so it's the last. So as long as you just do that last, you're good. That's all you really need to think about, really, you know? You don't need to worry about the whole thing. So I can't do the 1 plus 6 because adding and subtracting are last. So instead I do the 6 times 8 is 48. And then at the very end, I do add. And so the true answer is 49. Yeah, you guys are right. Good job. There it is.